Welcome to this video tutorial that will show you how to turn off autoplay videos on Facebook. The autoplay feature on Facebook can be useful for browsing content, but it can also be annoying when videos start playing automatically when you don't expect it. Fortunately, there is a way to disable this feature and save your precious time and data. In this video, we will show you step by step how to turn off autoplay on Facebook. We can begin. The first thing you need to do is to open the Facebook application on your phone. After that, you need to tap on the menu icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now click on the gear icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down a bit and you will see the media option. Click on it. So now, you'll see a section called autoplay, and under that, you can adjust the settings for autoplay videos. As you can see right now, it is set to autoplay on mobile data and Wi-Fi. If you are on a limited mobile data plan, you can select to autoplay on Wi-Fi only. If you want to completely disable videos from playing automatically on your Facebook feed, simply select Never Autoplay Videos. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comment section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. So that wraps up this tutorial.